All right, this is episode 2 of how to get the most out of Llama Logic. In episode 1, we went through how to sign in, how to get the panel on Google Chrome so that it displays your information, all that stuff. This episode, we're going to go through some of the menus and then navigating through Amazon with Llama Logic. Right here, we are on an item page, and this panel is your hub on an item page. Initially, you're going to see over here the score. This score is an accumulation of all the information for this item. How many is sold? Are the carousels full? What kind of bestseller rank does it have? What commission rate is it? The amount of reviews, all that stuff. And good or bad, it'll display that, why it's giving it a certain score, and then what that score is. It's out of 100. 100 is great. 0 is terrible. All of these buttons up here on the top do something. So save an item for later. ASIN, this is the ASIN for this product, and you click it and it will save that into your clipboard where you can then paste it somewhere. Parent is the parent ASIN for this item. If you scroll down here, you can see all the different color options that there are, pages and pages of it, sizes, styles. This color is one ASIN for this bottle. So this purple, or whatever this is called, lilac, 24 ounces is one ASIN. This mint, 24 ounces, is another ASIN. The parent is the umbrella over all of those. This is a bit of a hot topic, but some people say don't tag the parent ASIN when you're making a video for something. Some will say do it. I think do it. Why not? Always tag the ASIN of the individual item that you're making the video for, but if there are 100 different colors and sizes for this, and that parent will give you a wider range for your video to be seen, I don't see why you shouldn't be doing that. But with that being said, you should always, the individual ASIN for that item, always tag that individual ASIN when uploading the video. We will go into uploading videos in a bit, in another episode or whatever. Link is just the link to this item plus your affiliate tag. That's all that is. I would recommend not using this unless you're doing it for a very specific reason. I don't know what reason that might be, but I might actually take this button out at some point because I don't think it's useful. Llama Link, these are trackable links. They are not deep links in the sense that Link Twin or Genius Link are, but they are trackable links, and you can see where your clicks are coming from. There's a whole menu, sub-menu for this and everything. People are using it. People are getting stuff out of it. So use it. It is in beta. I don't know if it's ever coming out of beta. I don't know if I ever want to say that this is the go-to ever, but it's there. It's an option if you want it. Link Twin and Genius Link, these are actual deep links, and you can sign in with your account and then get those deep links directly from this panel. And that information is all, where is that? It's in your settings. If you go to advanced settings and then scroll down, your deep links, so Link Twin API, that's what you have to put in here. It's your individual API key, which you would paste in here. And then Genius Link, API, secret, and group ID, yours. I'm not setting that up for you. So if you want that stuff, you want to generate deep links from Llama Logic, you need to set that up yourself. I will say also that if you do that, once you save this, because you put this information in, scroll all the way to the bottom and save, refresh the page that you're trying to do that on, or else you'll get an error because it's looking at the old data. It needs to refresh. So just do that. It'll work better. So those are those two buttons. There's an entire notes system. You can do quick add, you can tag, open the notes page. This notes page has saved notes. You can pin notes, you can export your notes, write new ones directly from here, filter, sort, all that good stuff. There's a whole lot of stuff to do in here. If you want more information on the notes, let me know. I'll make a deeper video on this. I've been told that this is something that's stupid, but it's here, it's available. Use it if you want. Idea list. So you can make idea lists and have people go to those idea lists in Amazon. This idea list button will allow you to add this to an idea list that you already created. It will not generate an idea list from here, but you can create one in your storefront, and then it'll pop up here and then you can have this in your idea list. This works in the search page too. I'll show you that in a minute. Other stuff, product stats, rating, reviews, stuff is pretty self-explanatory. If there's information that is not listed here, it'll show a dash. Price history, this is Camel price history. And you can click into this and go on their site and check out where it looks like this is up and down right around the $34, $35 mark. View full history will take you to Camel. So, and this is the normal price. It's right about 35 bucks all the time right now. No sales or anything that's in stock. You can do Prime with this, and then May 8th is when you can expect this. If you order it, Friday, May 8th is when it would be delivered. Videos, and this is your upper and lower carousels. If you don't know, down these 6 videos, this is, oh my goodness, stop. This is your upper carousel. And these people are all in the upper carousel. There are 5 influencer spots up here. You will be up here. There are 5. On the page, this will read what's on the page. So there's 1 brand video, which is the video that just played, and then 5 influencer for 6 total. 0 review videos in that upper carousel. And that's what is on the page, and also what's in the back end. What Amazon is saying on this product is what is being displayed. I put this here because sometimes the page will not display or render carousels. So you wouldn't see that there's actually a carousel there, but what it says on the back end is there is a carousel. So, stuff all the time that's, they try stuff out or hide carousels, add them, whatever. That'll, there's something in the back end or not. Lower carousel, if you scroll down, past all the information, this is the lower carousel. And you see up here, earns commissions. Let's see here. Female Kim Reese's. I don't know. Some of these are customer and influencer. So that might mathing. There might be a bug there or something. Anyway, seller rank, these are clickable, so you can go in and search water bottles, sports outdoors. Trend. This item is trending via Google Trends. And if you click this, this will show you where it peaks. This is 53-week data points. And it's for water bottles, not this bottle itself, but just water bottles in general. And then you can go to Google Trends and look at all that stuff. Down in this blank space is YouTube videos. You can it because there's only a select amount of YouTube videos that it'll actually pull from that YouTube API via Llama Logic. I'm going to get more, but if you wanted to set up your own, where do you set that up? I don't even remember where you set that up. YouTube competition. So you would get your YouTube API key, and this will show you how to do that. You put it in here, and then it'll just pull yours. So there's 100 a day that you can pull if you do that. So I suggest that you go and set this up so that if you're looking at 100 items a day or whatever, you'll always get that YouTube data of it being an accumulation with everybody else. And then once it's gone until tomorrow. Commission rates, I mean, pretty self-explanatory. This is what you can expect to get as an affiliate influencer. If there's a creator connections campaign, it'll show up here. Yes, there's not this one, so no bonus there. Break, if you were to buy this as affiliate or an influencer and you're selling it that way, how many you would have to sell to break even or get your money back. Down here are a couple of really important buttons, and man, this is a long video, I'm so sorry, but track product. This is for connections or working with brands. If you are getting free items, and I'm not a tax professional, so don't take this as legal or tax advice or anything, but you are on the hook for the tax implications for those free items. You know that. And so when you go to do your taxes next year, you need to talk about or tell them what you got for free. There are ways to get around this, selling them or giving them away to charity and stuff like that. But initially, when you go to get something for free, you need to track that and make sure you're keeping track of it. So track free product, this will track this, and then you can go in and view all free products. You can export it to a CSV to give to your tax professional during tax time and all that stuff. You date received, brand, price, notes if you want, quantity, all that good stuff. And then generate prompt. This is a video of its own, but are templates that you can set up. A couple of these are built in. I've seen some other ones. This YouTube SEO one is built in, where it will grab all the information from the item, plus prompt that you or I generate. You can edit this too. You can make this say whatever you want. And then you can copy this into ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or whatever. This is open in ChatGPT. This is open in Claude, and you click that, and it'll actually open up into that program. We'll just do that right now so you can see it. We'll ChatGPT. How about that? And it pasted right in there. The and so with that, if it's a longer prompt, it won't paste it. You be in your clipboard, so you just Command V or Control V or right click and paste, and it'll spit out an output for you for titles, tags, descriptions, or if you're doing a Pinterest one. Like I said, that deserves a video of its own, and I will do that down the line. Cancel that, and that is it. So this is the product page. This is a 14-minute video at this point. I'm watching this long. I hope you got it out. If you have questions, leave them down below. I'll answer all questions or whatever. And we're going to go to the next episode, I guess, and see what else kind of trouble we can get into. So catch you on the next one.